She's gonna try it.
You can never have too much lemon.
That's
okay.
right. Yeah, I know, right? Okay.
Awesome.
All right, so you're gonna take a bite.
Let's see.
Hey, what's going on? It's Lance McGowan here. We are at the Market Grill Cafe here in North Las Vegas. We're celebrating Amira's birthday, so lots of fun and festivities. Amira's on our team. She's my mentor upline, and we're gonna have some fun, so stay tuned for more. It's a little dark here. All right, here we go. All right, so Malie made some carrot cake right here, so we're gonna enjoy that as well. So that's how we roll. We make food that's healthy and delicious. If you've watched more YouTube videos, you would see that. All right, here we go. Hey, here we go. Nice. All right, we're making our way back to the room. There's food provided. Oh yeah. There's Amira. Hello. Snap. All right, we're getting here kind of late, so you see some of the food is kind of gone. Hey, how's it going? Yeah. All right. We got some hummus. This is a Mediterranean type of grill, so some rice, some veggies. Oh my goodness, what's in here? Is this? I don't know what that is. We'll find out what it is.
Okay, so
All right, here's what I got. Got some steamed veggies, some stuff I don't know how to pronounce, but I know it's gonna be good. You can tell I don't eat a lot of Mediterranean food, but I know it's gonna be really good. So yeah.
because as you may know, this is not really about the birthday, to be honest, right? It is actually for an excuse to get you all together and see you and all that stuff. That's birthdays. I find that it's just a good excuse to get people together, don't you think? Right?
Yes.
It's really not about the number anymore. Nevertheless, I really thank you for being here, and it's a pleasure. And it's just take it easy, enjoy, and yeah, that's I'm not really big at words. I'm a better dancer than with words. Okay. Oh my God, of course. Yes, we made an entrance right here. This is Eva, everybody. So awesome. All right, get the champagne. Anyway, Colleen, thank you so much.
How do you feel after turning the big 3-0?
You're 29.
I'm sorry. Oh, okay.
To be honest, I don't actually have any problem with my age. I can actually tell you my real age without any issues.
Oh, okay.
I'm 44, but in Chinese, that's going to be like really bad number because 4 is a really bad number, right? Yeah. So I don't know what that means, but for me, I'm really happy. I'm in the best shape of ever. I just went to the...
Oh!
I just went to the doctor. I had a blood drawn, and I'm perfect.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So, cheers.
Cheers. Boom. Okay. Nice.
What's the big deal about age in America?
Over the hill. They do all these jokes about over the hill.
Happy to be at the age I am at. I don't have any issue with that. So, yeah. I don't want to be considered 18 when I'm not 18, right? So I have life experience.
Age ain't nothing but a number, right?
Who cares?
Okay.
Who cares, right?
All right. I like that. It's a high five on that.
Yay.
Yeah. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, dear Rosie.
It's actually 4 and 4. 40? Yeah, 44.
All right. This is the carrot cake that Malie made. I have some lemon oil as well that helps to make the flavor pop. And so I'm just going to put a little bit on top right there. This is a vegan carrot cake. So let's just kind of take a little bit here. Cut it. Oh, goodness. All right. Mmm. Mmm. You want some? Here you go. You ready? Boom. Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try to buy it without any lemon oil, and then if I can...
Hello, yeah.
Oh,
You try some? Okay, so you're trying it before.
Yeah, this is before.
All right. Okay, you ready? The lemon. Just a drop. Okay, there's a couple. That might work. See how much the flavor pops. Oh, you want to try some too?
Sorry, I'm hearing the music in the background.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Malie already put a drop on it.
She's chewing.
Yeah. So you tried it with the lemon too. How did you like
I
it?
like it with the lemon. Very nice.
Okay, there you go. So it's also good with wild orange. But yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of mine now. So here we go. Okay, Amir's putting the lemon oil on a different spot of the cake. All right, she's gonna try it.
You can never have too much lemon.
That's
Okay.
right. Yeah, I know, right? Okay.
Awesome.
All right, so you're gonna
taste
take
it.
a bite.
Let's see.
This is Amir's homemade cake
Yes,
for her
I
birthday.
put it on the dip. Yeah, I put it
Okay.
here though. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is the vegan cake with the lemon oil.
Okay.
Are you like gonna film me while I'm like chewing on
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. We want to see every part of your enjoyment.
Birthday.
Happy birthday. It's like a taste test.
Lemon is all I taste right now.
Right?
Got 3 drops on there. I mean, there's lemon juice in the frosting, so there's
Right.
that lemony.
I probably too much of lemon right now, but now the carrot taste is coming.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, it's divine.
Okay.
But you know, I'm not gonna like hear faint or anything, but it's really good.
Okay, there you go.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for the cake.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, I love Malie's vegan carrot cake is like by far my favorite. She made it once and I that's when I almost died. Yeah, because it's so good. I don't know how you make it like that. It's really good. Yeah. Moist and nice. Really
That's
good.
right.
Thank you.
All right.
A little dream of me, say nighty night and kiss me, just hold me tight and tell me you miss me.
All right, I'd say the cake went off pretty well. This is all that's left. So, good job, Malie, on the recipe.
We'll have to save a few pieces for maybe Derek and TR. I promised them maybe they could taste it.
Yeah, there's enough there. There's like a few slices and little crumbs over there. There we go. Nice.
Take it home to the family.
That's right.
Share the love.
Well, thank you very much for watching and tuning in to Amira's birthday. She turned 44 years young, and proud of that. That's right. We come to terms with stuff. We're okay with the age that we are. We love ourselves. Other than that, hey, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. Hit subscribe for, oh, hey, that's right. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and we'll catch you in the next video.